Hey guys, it's your girl Sapna, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you step by step how to make golden turmeric milk. Turmeric comes in two different forms. Really, it comes in one main form, which is the root, but you can also get the powder version. In today's video, I'm going to be using the organic powder version, but if your preference is to use the root version, feel free. You can buy turmeric from your local food market. I just pick up the one from my closest Walmart. This is the one that I use. It's Mike's Organic Turmeric. It comes in an 85 gram, about 4 to 5 pieces, and depending on how often you drink turmeric, it will last you about a week or 2 weeks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make it in the powder version. So I'm in the kitchen now. I just want to show you what I'm going to be using. I do take my powder out and I do transfer it over to a mason jar because it is easier. And you're more than welcome to use whatever kind of milk you like, almond milk, cashew milk. It really depends on the type of taste that you want. The other thing I'm going to be adding is green cardamom. It's your choice. I just like it because it adds that nice little bit of aroma. Okay, I can already smell it. It smells so good, and you don't need a lot. So I'm going to take a little bit of water just to dilute the turmeric first. Then I'm going to add my milk, okay? Okay, so I've added a little bit of water right now. I'm just waiting for that to just boil in, and then I'm going to take a little bit of turmeric, not too much. I would say if you haven't done this before, just start with about half a teaspoon, or this is probably even less than half a teaspoon. So as you notice, it's starting to boil. I just want to dilute this because I'm using a powder form. Now I'm going to add my milk. Now I'm just going to add this. As you notice, it's already turning golden, is what we want. You can add more turmeric if you like, but it will give you a stronger taste. So I do recommend just starting off with something that is a lot lighter. So I'm just taking one, and I've just crushed it already. And I'm gonna open it up because really the aroma is from the inside, and then I'm gonna... So I do like to leave my green cardamom in there, just because it tastes and smells really good. Hey guys, we're back, and my golden turmeric milk is ready to be consumed. This is honestly the best magic potion I can think of. The weather's off or my system's off, I always turn to this, and I swear it's like magic in a cup. It always makes me feel really good. I didn't add any sugar to this, but you're more than welcome to add a little bit of honey, stevia, or whatever your preference is. So I really hope you guys like this tutorial. Please comment, like, subscribe for future videos. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more recipe videos. And until next time, bye guys. Oh wait, we gotta cheers. Cheers! Right?